Recording in progress.
Hi friends, this is Dr. Krup Pasavda and our today's topic of discussion is definition of rape. If you want link of all the playlist, you can visit the description box. I have given all the videos of forensic medicine in it. So let us see section 375 IPC. A man is said to commit rape if he, यहाँ पे there are four things which is given. The first one is penetrates his penis to any extent into the vagina, mouth, urethra or anus of a woman, or makes her to do so with him or with any person. So penetration to any extent. The second one is inserts to any extent any object or a part of the body not being the penis into the vagina, the urethra or anus of a woman, or makes her to do so with him or any other person. So the first one is penetration and another one is insertion to any extent any object or a part of body. The third one is manipulates any part of the body of a woman to cause penetration into vagina, urethra, anus, or any part of the body of such woman, or makes her to do so with him or any other person. So here manipulation also will be considered under it. And the fourth one is applies his mouth to vagina, anus, or urethra of a woman, or makes her to do so with him or any other person under the circumstances falling under any of the following 7 descriptions. So all these things. So the first one is penetration, insertion, manipulation, and application of anything with a woman falling under the following 7 circumstances. So these circumstances are very important. So the first one is against her will. The second one is without her consent. The third one is with her consent when her consent has been obtained by putting her or any other person in whom she is interested in fear or death or hurt. So consent is obtained, but it is obtained in fear of death or hurt. So this is very important. The fourth one is with her consent when the man knows that he is not her husband. So man has idea that he is not her husband and that her consent is given because she believes that he is another man to whom she is or believes herself to be lawfully married. So this is in a case of fraud. Man knows that he is not her husband, but she knows that he is another man to whom she is or believes herself to be lawfully married. So this is a case of fraud with her consent when at the time of giving such consent because of unsoundness of mind or intoxication or the administration by him personally through another of any stupefying or unwholesome substance. So sometimes she becomes subconscious by giving any stupefying यानी कि भ्रामिक जिसको बोलते हैं कि भ्रमित करने वाला या तो फिर अनहोलसम सब्सटेंस उसको देके टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस उसको देके she is unable to understand the nature and consequences of that to which she gives consent. So she will be in subconscious state and it will be difficult for her to understand the nature and consequences of the whatever the act will be done, and she gives consent with or without her consent when she is under 18 and when she is unable to communicate consent. So all these things, all these 7 circumstances are very important in section C 375 IPC. Now some of the explanation for this section. Vagina shall also include labia majora. So mere penetration is also considered. So labia majora, vagina shall also include labia majora, and consent means unequivocal voluntary agreement when the woman by words, gestures or any form of verbal or non-verbal communication communicates willingness to participate in the specific sexual act. So this is voluntary agreement, and consent should not be obtained, what we have seen in previous slides, right? When the woman, by words, by gestures, or any form of verbal or non-verbal communication, communicates willingness to participate in the specific sexual act. So there will be a proper willingness is important. Exceptions: a medical procedure or intervention shall not constitute rape. So if a doctor does medical procedure or any intervention shall not constitute rape, and sexual intercourse or sexual acts by a man with his wife, the wife is not being under 15 years of age, is not rape. So this is also very important. If wife not being under 15 years, and if man does sexual intercourse with his wife, then is not rape. So these are the exceptions. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel, click bell icon, and share this video amongst your friends. Thank you.